Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening Settings and navigating to System then Storage so you can see what's consuming space and why. Once there, enable Storage Sense if you want automated cleanup. This removes temporary files and manages locally available cloud content. Make sure to click Configure Storage Sense to choose frequency and targets. You should also glance at Downloads and Recycle Bin now because Storage Sense can delete files older than a set period. Adjust the age threshold to avoid losing recent files. Next, run Disk Cleanup as an administrator to remove system files like Windows Update remnants and temporary installer files. This often frees significant space. Once done, use Storage Settings Drive Analysis or a trusted analyzer to identify large folders such as downloads, games, or user profiles. You should uninstall unused apps and manually remove duplicates or outdated installers. Drag and drop to Recycle Bin or delete permanently if you're certain. Make sure to empty the Recycle Bin to reclaim the space. Finally, empty the Recycle Bin and restart your PC so Windows updates the free space count and removes locked temporary files. Configure Storage Sense Schedule and enable OneDrive files on demand to keep large files in the cloud while showing placeholders locally. If space still seems incorrect, run chkdsk to fix disk errors, and then run sfc/scano to repair system files. These commands can reveal or fix orphan files. If that fails, check for hidden user profiles or shadow copies taking space.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.